Today I am trying to plant the pepper seed. I want to generate seedling from here. The pepper seed is here. You can see them. You can see the pepper seed, the long pepper, the bawa pepper, and the atarodo in Yoruba. So that's what we planted here now. So after it has germinated, on 1 or 2 weeks we will transplant, and then we will try to water it regularly. Yes, that's what we are going to do. So I'm going to water this one now. So water it regularly so that, and then we cover it up now. We cover it up with some leaves and the old basket here that I have here. I'm going to cover it. So cover it up like this. Then we get some leaves, to form shade on top of it because of the sun, so that it does not receive the highest impact of the sun. So that's what we are going to do now. So you follow this video to the end and see how we are going to produce the seedling here that will be transplanted very soon in a sack gardening. We are going to show you everything. Don't skip any part of the video. Follow it to the end. So to avoid the full impact of the sun, we do this cover for it with some dried leaves. Okay, get some sticks, use this to cover it with some leaves. This is what we use. So get some leaves, cover it up now so that it doesn't receive the full impact of the sun. So we've got some plantain leaves, some dried plantain leaves here. We use it to cover it with some other leaves and sticks, dry sticks. Okay, and that's sufficient to make it cool inside and outside, so that the full impact of the sun does not reach the seed that we just planted. So we'll be monitoring this for like 4 to 5 days. Now if there is no rain, we continue to water it in the evening or morning to ensure that it has enough water to germinate. Just make sure you follow the video to the end to see the time we are going to transplant the seedlings. Follow along. So after about 6 days, we have this. The pepper seeds have germinated. You can see them. Very tiny young pepper seeds coming out. You can see that now. So we expose them a little bit to the sun so that the sun can touch down on them and they begin to grow up well to the size that we can transplant. We still have several of them coming out from the soil. If you look at it closely here, you see tiny ones still coming out. Some have germinated, some are still germinating, and then give it like 1 or 2 weeks more, and we continue to water it regularly in the morning or in the evening. Better to be at the evening than in the morning. So we expose it slightly for sun to touch it. So we still put back some of the leaves, but not like before. We expose it more than before. Alright. Follow along to the end to see the time we are going to transplant this seedling.